Today we're going to be looking at what a sociogram is. To really understand what a sociogram is, we just got to start by looking at the word itself. The first part of the word sociogram, it refers to society or people. The second part, gram, is just referring to a graphic representation of something, so a diagram or some sort of graph. Society is made up of many different types of people, and even though they're different, they are connected or interact in different ways. So our final definition for a sociogram is just a graphic representation of how society, which is made up of people, interact together. Let's now think about the context of our novel, Rowan of Rin. To start with, we have to brainstorm all the different characters we can think of that exist in our novel. I quickly brainstormed Rowan, Strong John, Gilla, Sheba, Marley, Brondon. The list goes on, and when you do this task for yourself, your list will be including all of the characters that you can possibly think of. Now that we've got our character list, we've got to start to think about the task, which is to create a sociogram or a graphic representation showing how the Rowan of Rin characters are connected or how they interact. To start our sociogram, I've deliberately put Rowan in the middle of my sociogram just because he's the main character and we would assume that he's going to have the most connections with the other characters. The next step is to start adding other characters and to think about ways that they might interact with the people you've got already on your graph. Here I've added Gilla. I've added Gilla because she is a clear connection to Rowan as Gilla is his mother. Notice how I've also included in brackets the person's role in the novel. For example, Rowan being the main character and Gilla being a widow. I'm going to now add another character. I've decided to add Sefton, Rowan's dad, because he's got a clear connection between both Rowan and Gilla. He was, after all, once married to Gilla and is Rowan's father. I'm going to add one final character to add to my sociogram. I've added Strong John. As we've done before, we have to start to connect Strong John with the other characters. The novel does say that Strong John and Sefton were once friends before Sefton passed away, so there I've added a friendship connection between these two men. I can also spot the connection between Rowan and Strong John in that they're both going on a quest together. Now the connection between Strong John and Gilla is harder to spot in the novel, but it is there. We do get the feeling that Strong John feels quite protective of Gilla, probably because he was good friends with her husband. So that's my very quick sociogram of just a few Rowan of Rin characters. Now it's your turn though. With your sociogram, I want to see way more characters than mine. I would recommend hand drawing this on a piece of paper and taking a photo of your work to insert into your doc. Good luck with it!